we will guide you through how to draw a triangular prism in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and clicking New to create a new drawing. Type polygon in the command line and press Enter to create the triangular base. Enter 3 for the number of sides and press Enter because the prism base is a triangle. Specify the base point by clicking a suitable location in the drawing area. Enter a radius, such as 50, and press Enter to create the initial triangular shape. Select one side of the triangle and move it inward to decrease its length and create the desired triangular shape. Select another side and move it inward in the same way to adjust the shape and make the triangle suitable for the prism. Check all 3 sides and make sure the base has the required shape and size before creating the 3D object. Change the view to a 3D view so the triangular base can be seen in 3-dimensional space. Open the 3D modeling tools to access the commands needed to create the prism. Type extrude in the command line and press Enter to give the triangular base a 3-dimensional height. Select the triangular base and press Enter to confirm the object you want to extrude. Move the cursor in the required direction to preview the height of the triangular prism. Enter a suitable extrusion height, such as 100, and press Enter to complete the extrusion. Use 3D to rotate the view and check the prism from different angles. Change the visual style to shaded or realistic to make the 3-dimensional surfaces easier to see. Select the completed triangular prism and change its color from the Properties panel if desired. Use Zoom Extents to fit the prism properly in the drawing area. Finally, save the completed drawing by pressing Ctrl+S and give the AutoCAD file an appropriate name.